Who among the following Indian footballer has been named in the FIFA video campaign against coronavirus? So he is Sunil Chhetri. He is the captain of Indian football team. Andre Scrimbry, who recently announced his retirement, belongs to which of the following sports? So he belongs to football. He is a Maltese footballer. Who among the following has been named as the BCC Indian Sportswoman of the Year 2019? So C is PV Sindhu. Option D. Saurashtra cricket team has defeated which of the following team in the final to win its maiden Ranji Trophy title? So Saurashtra cricket team defeated Bengal cricket team to win the title. So the option B is the correct answer. Elsa Helly creates a world record by becoming the highest scorer in a women's T20 international match. She plays for which country? So she is a player from Australian women's team. Option B is the correct answer, Australia. Tejendra Pal Singh, who is the flag bearer of India at the opening ceremony of South Asian Game 2019, is associated to which sport? So he is associated to shot put. Option C. Backhill is related to which sport? Okay, backhill is a kick play by the heel which typically travels in the opposite direction from which the player is facing, and it is in football. Option A. Where is the headquarter of the International Shooting Sports Federation, that is ISSF, situated? So it is in Munich, Germany. Option C. The term face off is related to which of the following sports? Okay, face off is related to hockey. Option A. Who became the most expensive overseas player in India Premier League, that is IPL, in the year 2020? So he is Pat Cummins. Option C. The base price he has of 2 crore, but hoping to 15.5 crore, he was sold to KKR, that is Kolkata Knight Riders. So option C is the correct answer. Which of the following sports player has won the most number of Olympic gold medal? So he is the swimmer Michael Phelps. Option A. He total won 28 gold medals. He total won 28 medals, out of which 23 were gold medal, 3 were silver and 2 are bronze. Free throw is given in which of the following game? Free throw is given in basketball. Option A. Queensberry rule is the name given to the rule in, like this word, this rule is used in which game? So this is applied in the game of boxing. Option D is the correct answer. Prince of Wales Cup is associated with the game of, this is also known as Wales Cup or Wales Trophy, and this is associated with hockey. Option A is the correct answer. What is the distance of running in a marathon race? So the distance of running in a marathon race is 26.2 mile. That is also 26 mile, 385 yard. Option A is the correct answer. With which game is the term bogey associated? So this is associated with golf. Option D is the correct answer. Name the sport or game in which the term cue is generally used? So it is used in billiards. Abu Dhabi has been selected as the world's leading sports tourism destination at the 26th edition of the World Travel Award, that is WTA, which was held at, okay, the question says where is the 26th edition of the World Travel Award was held at? It was held at Muscat, option E. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award was given to Deepa Malik. She plays which sports? Okay, so Deepa Malik is known for para athletic. Option C is the correct answer. She is the first Indian woman to win a medal in para Olympics game and she won a silver medal. Abdul Qadir, a master leg spinner, passed away. He was known as the dancing bowler because of his style. He represented which country? Where was he from? He was from Pakistan. He played for 16 years and he took 236 wickets.